Namaskar. Welcome to Earth Dhvani. I am Dr. Apurva Pauranik, retired professor of neurology from Mahatma Gandhi Memorial Medical College and Maharaja Yashwantrao Hospital, Indore. Earth Dhvani, meaning and the sound. These are the words and a few more are related to the act of speech and communication and language. Language is fundamental to human experience. It is fundamental to human being. Not only earth and dhvani, meaning and sound, but there are a few more salient words related to this field. The word, syllable, letter, sound, phoneme, grapheme, clause, sentence, subclause, paragraph, discourse, communication, and so on, and thoughts. So, all these things are related to speech and communication and language. We take it for granted, these functions, until unless somebody loses them, someone close to us, or we ourselves. And then there are many pathological conditions, diseases. Some of them are since birth, they are developmental, and some are acquired later on. They were initially normal, but somebody got a brain disease and developed problems with speech and communication in a later age. One such condition is aphasia. In Hindi we call it vachakhat. As a neurologist, I see large number of people who are suffering from aphasia and other related disorders of speech, language, communication. This website, Arthadhvani, has been created with the purpose of providing some tools, assessment tools, for such patients. One of them is HASIT, HASIT, Hindi Aphasia Indore Screening Test. It's a brief test for assessment of aphasia, whether the patient is having problem with language communication, is he suffering from aphasia or not. It takes 5 to 10 minutes. Then in the pipeline are a slightly longer version like HABIT, the B stands for brief, HAFIT, where the F stands for full, HRWIT, where the R and W stand for reading and writing. Then there is LEAP, LEAP questionnaire, which is for language experience and proficiency questionnaire. When we clinically evaluate persons suffering from speech, communication, and language disorders, we have to take into account how many languages are used and with what proficiency by a given person. So this is a self-assessment questionnaire to be filled by the person, sometimes by himself, herself, or sometimes with the help of someone more knowledgeable in surveying these type of questionnaires. There is also a handedness questionnaire, by which hand you use more, right hand, you are a right hander or a left hander, and there is a simple Hindi adaptation of Edinburgh handedness inventory. In the coming months, many more testing protocols and testing batteries will be added. These things are to be administered ideally by speech language pathologists or speech therapists. But some of them later on will be made simple with lot of explanations that even the persons suffering from these diseases or their educated caregivers will be able to administer these test functions. They will pertain to depression, anxiety, other cognitive functions also. So please explore this website, please get registered, and give us your feedback. How do you feel? How can we make it better? This is the beginning of a journey which will go a long way. Thank you once again for visiting Arth Dhvani. धन्यवाद.